Alright, so the sound got louder and I started to record. I don't know if you guys can hear the sirens in the background. As soon as I start recording, it started with the noise campaign using the sirens and the loud bangs stopped. Okay? So yeah, I mean, this is what again, I go through. This is constant, and you know, and it shows me when I do this, when I start recording, and all of a sudden it stops. Right? It shows me how surveilled I am, and also how much they don't want to be exposed. Right? So, like I said, as TIs, you gotta understand that they know what they're doing is criminal. Right? They know that what they're doing is violating your rights. Right? Violating your constitutional rights, violating your human rights, violating your civil rights, and they know this. They know this. This is why, again, I keep showing you guys that they know that who the criminals are. They know that they are the criminals. Okay, so when they want to try to run their false narrative, you know, understand that that is because of who they are, not because of who you are. It's because of who they are and what they're trying to turn you into. They're trying to turn you into their dark persona. Don't fall for it. Okay, if you're lucky enough to become aware of your targeting, right, and you're just remember to understand that they will, if you're a religious TIs, they're going to use your religion to manipulate you even more, right, and to have you blaming entities that you know you can never hold those entities accountable, right? Because again, it's just a belief system. Okay, talk to you guys in the next video.